Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to help you create low content and medium content books on. All of the keywords on this channel have been carefully selected and researched using the 4 free Chrome extensions that you can go ahead and access in the page where the channel is. Just simply click on the search button and write down Chrome. Alternatively, you can also find the video that I talked about the 4 free Chrome extensions that I'm using in the video description below this video. There will be a link for you to access that video, and that way you'll be able to do your own keyword research the same way I'm doing for Amazon KDP. Now, with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP profitable keywords, as well as a couple of important information and strategies to help you get started making passive income online. And I'll also dive into the first keyword for the day: how to draw horses books for kids 8 to 12. This is an amazing keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics, and it is a great medium content keyword about the how to draw niche, and specifically on horses. And also we have the audience ready to go, which are children or kids between the ages of 8 to 12. Now, you could even dive in further by creating specific books on different breeds of horses as well, or whether you want it to be for girls or for boys. And also the color variation will vary, and you will be able to sub niche further and select your specific audience that way. For me personally, I like the way it is, and if I niche down further, I would niche down based on different breeds of horses and have a specific how to draw horse books for kids 8 to 12, but based on different breeds. Now let's dive into the analytics section. Here we have wonderful analytics that fit, or data that fit all the profitability metrics. First of all, the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans is 58, which is amazing. We also have an even stronger keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro. Gives this a keyword niche score of number 9, categorizing this keyword as a wonderful, great niche. Also, the total results are under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 564. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and the less the better, and it is currently averaging 109,497. We have the average reviews of 2,753 and the average price of $7.70. This is actually a wonderful evergreen keyword, so it's not connected to any specific season or occasion. You could also make a seasonal one, so you could make more of a themed one. Depends on, you know, what kind of season you want. For example, how to draw horses books for kids 8 to 12 Christmas or Thanksgiving or any sort of thing, but then really dive into creating that theme of different horses with Christmas colors. Our second keyword for the day is learn how to draw action heroes. This is also an amazing keyword. There is great profitability in this keyword as well, and it is within that learn how to draw niche. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 40, which is good to see. Total results are under 1,000, and the total results are sitting at 153. The average bestseller rank is also under 300,000, which is ideal, and it is sitting at 224,846, and the average reviews is 756, and we have the average price at $12.30. Now, the only thing that I want you to be aware of is try not to get anywhere next to trademark. Now, when it comes to drawing action heroes, it can be really tricky. So, you know, you don't need to give the impression that you're referring to a specific action hero that's trademarked, whether that's Superman, Batman, or any other action hero. Try to be objective as much as possible and get away from trademarked terms, whether that is in the title, in the interior, or in the cover as well. Also, we have a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well. This one is also sponsored, so keep away from sponsored books. You want to look at any books that are not sponsored. For example, this one, How to Draw Comics the Marvel Way. I wouldn't use the Marvel, to be honest. I'd get as far away from that as possible. And I think this one, they've used it because they have some sort of right to be able to use it, and that's why it's been used that way. This one's How to Create Manga which is drawing different action characters in the anime theme as well. So just have a look at 2 or 3 books that are not sponsored. Use these as examples in order to get inspiration from them. Now you could also niche down whether you want to create 8.5 times 11 inches, whether you want it to be for girls or for boys, whether you want it to be in a grid format, because I've explained to you before that learn how to draw books have 2 types of formats: the grid format and the step-by-step format. So the grid format is usually for children under the age of 10 years old. It's much more easier to create and it's easier for the children to follow as well. And the step-by-step is more for children in the older ages as well. So you can get a couple of really good interiors available in Creative Fabrica, and then you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about here. So when you type in learn to draw, you can get the templates ready made for you. Now, if you want to create your own learn to draw books from scratch, all you need to do is just simply follow the grid template. That would be much more easier. That way you can just get a normal image that doesn't have any color inside it, and you just paste it onto that template, and there would be that grid of from 1 to 10 or 1 to 7, and there would be the lead alphabet that way as well. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's dive into our third and final keyword, which is also within that learn how to draw. And our third and final keyword is learn how to draw for kids 6 to 8. And we have fabulous information here. We have a really strong keyword niche score of 57 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. And we have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. And also the total results was 1,733. Which is good to see. It's within that 1,000 range. The bestseller rank is also under 100,000, and it's currently averaging 76,514. The average reviews are 2,089. The average price is $8.86. This is a wonderful niche because it allows you to diversify. It allows you to niche down as much as possible. So it doesn't specifically state what the theme of the books are. It's just basically learn how to draw for kids between the ages of 6 to 8. So think about what things are children between the ages of 6 to 8 interested in. Maybe rockets, maybe dinosaurs, animals, different kinds of maybe food. We've got dogs as well, cats, that way. So it's an opportunity for you to niche down, or you can create just a general learn how to draw book for kids 6 to 8, where it has different things in there. So work around with what you have, and I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.